What's up, guys? So I think I might have solved my problem with the GoPro Hero 6 freezing. It all came down to my choice of SD cards. So this is what I was using before. I know you can't see that, but what this is, it's a SanDisk Extreme Plus, and it only had a rating of 1. What I needed, I'll put up in the screen right now. What I was using before was a SanDisk Ultras. Those are good for the Hero 3 and the Hero 4, but what I really needed was the SanDisk Extreme. And it needed to be a V30, a rating of number 3 write speed. The disc I got is rated for 4K, so hopefully it works. I haven't gotten to try it out, so I don't even know if it works yet. This is the first little bit of video footage I've been filming on it now. But on another note, we got a box. Both aluminum cases with lens caps. And the final thing in the box, oh, this is probably what I'm most excited for. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Let me show you what I was using. From this to that. Oh, that's cool. You can dim it. I wonder how much brighter that is. Oh yeah. You can see the spread right here on the camera of this little light. And then you turn this big one on. Oh yeah, that's much brighter. And it's pretty cool too. It comes with like colored filters, so I could turn it blue. Let's put the blue in. Oh, that's so cool. I might put this one on just to protect the lights, because you can literally put your finger on each one. But yeah, those are my new toys. Those are my new toys. Light me up. Good morning, everybody! Today's vlog is going to be another snowboarding vlog, of course. Today's kind of an unusual day because it did snow last night, overnight, and we got some good snow out here on the ground. But it's going to warm up. I have a feeling that today is going to be the last day that I'm going to get to go snowboarding for a while. Today's going to be a test day for my new SD card, just to see if it works. See if that helps the freezing problem. But yeah, I don't think I'm gonna get to go snowboarding for at least a week. I left my sunglasses at work. Can't see. And we'll see you when we get to Jiminy. Okay, so never mind. I am not going to Jiminy today. It is so busy. Every parking lot is full. Even this lower one down here that you have to get on like a little shuttle bus. But alright, to Bousquet. Here we go. Eventually I'll get to ride some point today. So yeah, Bousquet is a little bit better. Parking was a little bit easier. It always goes to show that if you just wait long enough, you'll get somebody else's spot. Less talking, more riding. Oh, guess what, GoPro? You froze up again. 10 seconds in. And look, it's frozen again. Right here at 10 seconds. Didn't even last 10 seconds. I'm gonna have to take you back. Anyway, conditions today are not optimal. What we're riding on is really loose powder on top of ice. that it's just ice or grass. Look, there's grass. I don't even know what to say to this camera right now. My level of frustration is pretty out there. It'll be fine and record just fine as long as I'm just talking to it. As soon as I get on my snowboard and start going down the hill, they don't want to do diddly. This whole season I've been fighting this camera. At this point I'm over it. Okay, so yeah, let's try it again. Are we still going? Yay. Wow, it recorded an entire run. GoPro stopped recording. So I don't know how long I'm gonna stay today. I've only got 2 runs in. There's just a lot of people here today. And the conditions aren't all that great. But I came out today because I knew that I wouldn't be able to get to ride again for a while. It's gonna warm up and all this snow that we're walking on right now is gonna be gone tomorrow. This place is just full of kids. Well, alright guys, that's it. I'm done for the day. I'm going home. Peace.